Yeah. So we all know that entrepreneur is a person who does business. Okay, in more simple way. Entrepreneurship is the act of doing the business. Women entrepreneurs are those who are women and into the business. Okay. So today we'll study about skills required for a women entrepreneur. What are those? Networking, delegating, negotiating, market research, developing business plan, communication, sales, open to learning, be a master, grow a thick skin. So all these are the headings of skills that are required. We'll study one by one. What are those? First one, we have networking. So what do you mean by networking? Networking is a socio-economic business activity by which entrepreneurs meet to form business relationships and to recognize, create, or act upon business opportunities, share information, and seek potential partners for ventures. ಇದು ನೀವು ಫಿಗರ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, all of you can see this figure. You're seeing my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what you are seeing now. One live example what I want to give is, there is a WhatsApp group called as Earn While You Learn. Most of you were in that group. Some of you have left it. Most of you were there, no, in that group. What is that group? Can anyone explain me? Earn While You Learn. From our college, we had a WhatsApp group called as Earn While You Learn, and most of you were in that group. Can you explain me what that group was? Anyone unmute yourself and explain me what it was. Megha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me about that group.
It's like doing something which you like while you study, being
Okay.
passionate towards it.
Yeah, fine. Okay. Very good. In our college, we have an activity called as Earn While You Learn. What is that is, while studying, you are all still students. It is for students only. While studying, you can do something else also. What is that? It is beyond your studies. It may be a part of your studies, but it is giving you some earning. So that's why we call it as Earn While You Learn. You're doing business. You're doing some activity along with the studies. You can do that. So why that group? In that group, you have seen that some of the girls, they go on posting the photos, information, and details about the product, what they are going to sell. Consider Bharti of BBA first semester. Now she is first year girl. She does a business of clothing. She sells clothes, women clothes she sells. So she posts pictures, she gives the details about that. She also gives the pricing and how it can be taken. So what is that? What she is doing? She is telling about her business to everyone. Okay, everyone in the sense whoever is in that group. In that group means in that network. Okay, she's telling advertising about her products. So similarly, no, she has told you, then only you came to know that she is selling that product. She posts a picture of a t-shirt over there, so you come to know that she is selling that t-shirt. That is what is networking. You want to sell something, educate other people about your product. How do you do that? Create your own network, make more number of friends, create WhatsApp groups, create Facebook post. Tell them your information about your business. Information should flow everywhere. Then only you can succeed in your business. Now consider you are very good, you have a business, you are selling clothes, okay, dresses you are selling. But if you don't say it to anyone, you just sit quiet, sit at your home, will there be a sales? There won't be any sales, because we don't know at all that you are doing a business. ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳಿಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Maybe that day somebody told me that she wants to or she's taking tuitions. If you tell other surrounding people that you are taking tuitions, then only students will come to you, otherwise they won't come. So for that, what you require, you have to communicate, tell everyone, build a network, then only you can succeed in your business. Okay, this networking is a skill in the sense you should know how to make friends. You should know, you have to go to them, go to a group of people, communicate about your business. That is networking. Okay, next you have delegating. Successful delegation involves building the right process, including setting expectations, following up, and giving feedback, as well as providing the resources and authority to act to your team. It also involves giving the right task to the right person for the right reason. Delegation ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? You are giving the authority to your employees. Authority in the sense you are assigning some work. When you are assigning a work, you should see which employee is eligible for what work. Now consider your servant comes. When your servant comes, you know what type of work you have to assign to her. Okay, similarly in your business start ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ you have to assign the work. ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ? Which that person is eligible to do. Delegation is very important. Correct work should be given to the correct person. So work ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ, work ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ you have to go for follow up. Whatever you want, she should be or he should be able to do. Later on you have to follow up. Later on you have to take the feedback. Clear about this? This is delegation. Next is negotiating. Women are very good in negotiating. I think all of you know this. What is negotiating? Negotiation is a process where two or more parties with different needs and goals discuss an issue to find a mutually acceptable solution. In business, negotiation skills are important in both informal day-to-day interactions and formal transactions, such as negotiating conditions of sale, lease, service delivery, and other legal contracts. Good negotiations contribute significantly to business success, as they help you build better relationships, deliver lasting quality solutions, rather than poor short-term solutions that do satisfy the needs of either party, help you avoid future problems and conflicts. Negotiation. For example, I'll just give an example. I am seeing Bhagya and Saundarya on my screen, their names. ಈಗ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, ಜಗಳ ಆಡಿ ಮಾತೆ ಆಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. What Megha and Pallavi try to do? They try to make a negotiation between both of them, so that Bhagya and Saundarya again they become friends. Tilita idu? So here negotiation is a process where two or more parties with different needs and goals. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಅವೆರಡೂ ಕೂಡಿ ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ನೆಗೋಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ? ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಸಾರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಲಾರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ? ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ನೆಗೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಡೀಲರ್. ಆ ಡೀಲರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಡೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್. ವಾಟ್? ನೀ ನನಗೆ 10% ಒಳಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಅಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನೀವು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ತರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹಣ್ಣು ತರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸೀಸನ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? So when you go there, he tells 200 rupees kg. What you do? You start negotiation. What that negotiation is, I will take 5 kgs, you give for 100 rupees. Okay. So these negotiations in the business are very, very important. Cholo contact irbeku, cholo relationship maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. and you have, without negotiating, it is very difficult. So quality solutions you get, and further future problems and conflicts also doesn't arise. This is negotiating. Can you see this picture? We'll go for next one, market research. To run a successful business, it is essential that you know who your customers are, what they need, and how to reach them. Market research, you have a subject on this. I think last year all of you have studied principles of marketing. What is marketing research? Research andre artha enu ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. Here what you are doing, consider Bhagyashri is taking tuition, or someone, you want to take tuitions. Who are your target customers? School going children. Primary iddaru irbodu anta tilkori. Primary students up to 4th standards you want to take tuitions. So nim customers yaru? The students or the children who are in 4th or below that standards. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಳಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಅದ, ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವಾಗಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗ ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ PUC ಓದೋರಿಗ, BCom ಓದೋರಿಗ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಓದೋರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ such students. You don't get your customers over there. So ನಿಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರ, ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಚ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ? ನೋ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಹೂ ಯುವರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್, ಹೂ ಯುವರ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್. ಅವರಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು. ಕಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಿ ಆ ಗುರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್. ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ದೆಮ್, ಮೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. A business plan is a written description of your business future. Business plans can help perform a number of tasks for those who write and read them. They are used by investment seeking entrepreneurs to convey their vision to potential investors. They may also be used by firms that are trying to attract key employees, prospect for a new business, deal with suppliers, or simply to understand how to manage their companies better. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯು ಸಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ನಾ ಇದು ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, it makes you understand in a better way. ಈಗ ನಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ PPTs ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಬರೀ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೋ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Just see the difference. What happens there, the grasping capacity will be lesser when compared to these views. Okay, so ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎದಕ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? when you write it down, you will understand it in a much better way. ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹಾಡ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮರೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಎದಕ್ ಮರೆಯಲ್ಲ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ನೀವು ವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತಲೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ರಾದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. So here the intention of mine making this PPTs is so that you can understand in a much better way. And this is not so simple. I will have to put lots of my time for this. I have told you. So we are trying our best. Yesterday Uma madam also did the same thing. Visual. Now baradre nimge gottagtad blackboard edakke irtad. So she tried to use the whiteboard and you disturbed her. She is very much disturbed. Until and unless you apologize, she will not continue. Okay. So this is a business plan. ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀರಿ. All of you can see this, no? This black one. See here, business plan. Goals. ನಿಮ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಏನದ? Work strategy, analysis, operations. Who are your competitors? This is very important. ನೀವು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂದಿರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಅವ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾನಾಗ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಸ್, team, marketing, success, mission, financial status, product description, timeline, market. Last I'm coming for this SWOT. SWOT analysis, all of you know, I think. Strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. All this you should know. Write it down. Every business plan should be first written. In this subject only, last chapter you'll be studying about project report. They will understand very clearly. ನೀವು ಏನೇ business ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೀರಿ, first you write it down, make a report on that, then you will understand it very clearly whether you can go in the same line or you have to change it. Next is communication. Without communication, no business at all. Communication is a way to make interaction between people. All of you know regarding communication. And parallel to this, you have a complete subject, business communication skills. Entrepreneurs always try to improve their communication skills because it will assist them in sharing their ideas, presenting them clearly, and to constantly work in a better way with their staff, team members, clients, and colleagues. Business communication skills ಏನ್ ಕಲಿಲಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ? You learn over there about communication. What are the types? Two major types are oral, that is we call it as verbal communication, and written communication. Verbal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ orally ಹೇಳೋದು. Written ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ letter writing you have, reports you have, advertising you have, you're telling about your business. Okay, I don't think I'll have to tell lots about this because you already have a subject, you know about this. Sales. Selling is an essential skill every entrepreneur must master. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕುಂತ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನೋ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Marketing, selling, business, it is not only that you have certain products and you are selling, you can sell your ideas, you can do some service, all these come into business. So selling, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಡಿಯಾ ನೀವು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ ಇದೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಓವರ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್. ಹೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಇಟ್? Think about it. Start from day one in your business. You are selling. This should be your major part. Just sell it. Whether it's a pitching your idea to potential investors or showcasing your latest innovation to prospects. The success of your business depends on your ability to sell. If you can't sell yourself, your ideas or your innovation, you won't stay in the business. This is very clear. Sell it. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Okay. Open to learning. Open learning program in entrepreneurship equips the learners with the ability to function dynamically and acquire the requisite knowledge and skills to plan and successfully launch their own dream ventures. Open to learn ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Learning never stops. Open learning program in entrepreneurship equips the learners with ability to function dynamically. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ನಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೇನ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ಎದಕ್ಕ? ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಓವರ್ ದೇರ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್. ನಿಮಗ್ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಲಿಯೋದದ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಿಮ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. ನಿಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಯ್ಯೋದದ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. ನಿಮ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಏಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಎಟ್ ಎನಿ ಏಜ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ವಿ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಇವತ್ ನೀವು ಮನೆ ಕುಂತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. You may cook something, you are helping your mother there, you are learning some skills over there. Similarly, in your business, always there should be a learning. Be a master. Be a master ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ business ಅದ, you should be a master for that. Women have to learn to be their own master and take charge of their business. They must have confidence in their ability and courage. ನಿಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅದ, ನೀವು ಅದ್ರ ಓನರ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಬಿ ದ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಗ್ರೋ ಅ ಥಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್? ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಥಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾವರ್ಬ್. ಗ್ರೋ ಅ ಥಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. See, consider you are sitting over here. These are other outside persons. What they are doing? Our nimman mele eneno helikatare. They are telling wrong things about you. They are pointing out. They are telling bad things about you. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ? ಅದನ್ನ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸೊಳಗ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ ಅಂದ್ರು, ನೀ ಕಪ್ಪಿದಿ, ನೀ ದಪ್ಪಿದಿ, ಹಂಗ ಹಿಂಗ, ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಲೆ ಒಳಗ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೋ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟು ಯೋರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಹಂಗಂತ ಯಾವ್ದು ವಿಷಯ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದಂತಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಯು ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಟು ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವೇ. ಚೂಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪಾತ್. ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್. ನೀವೀಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಜನ 100 ತರ ಮಾತ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮಾತ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಿಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಏನೇನ್ ನಿಮ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಚಲೋ ಅದ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೋರಿ, ಉಳ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ is grow a thick skin. Women should learn to be more resistant than they already are, to avoid getting attached to unnecessary things easily. ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿನೇ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. They will face a lot of setbacks. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಜಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರೆ ಈ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಏನ್ ಈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದಟ್. ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ವಿಮೆನ್? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. Criticisms are there. Wrong opinions from people. They will not only the good opinions, they will start giving wrong opinions. Try to analyze. ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ try to analyze first and take only the good part, positive part, which is suitable for you. Leave the other part. In such condition, they have to be very strong, develop mental toughness that will help them to deal with any situation, whether the crisis is big or small. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, any type of situation you may face in your daily life, be very strong. ನಿಮಗ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೋರಿ. Be positive. Do good things. That will always give you a very good return. So especially in business, you should be very strong. Mentally and physically you should be very strong. ನೂರಾರು ಜನ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. Certain times you may face losses also, but in that case you should be very strong. ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಮುಂದ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Gain knowledge, gain skills and work hard and you will win. Okay, so see here, these are just housewives. Any type of business you can do. Okay, so these are the skills of a women entrepreneur. These skills she should have. Understood all of you?